What's up, guys? Just a quick little hey, what's up? What's up, Nan? All right, Nan. I have to address this, okay? I am one of the nicest store owners you're ever gonna come in contact with. One of the nicest, by far. Not even close, okay? We do a lot of stuff to help people out. A lot. 100 times over what any other store is going to help you with. I don't care how awesome the store is. Yes, a lot of people help you out. I get it. A lot of people screw you over, and a lot of people just straight up don't care, right? If you bring me a lot of equipment, I can only work with what you've given me. If I can't change it, you tell me not to change it, I am stuck with what you have brought me, right? Correct. Okay. So, if you bring me a part, let's just call it a part for right now. I might mention what it is later. This content comes from a frustrated store owner that helps people out left and right and gets stepped on over and over and over. And this is why a lot of store owners and a lot of business owners end up being, quote, what people call an asshole, right? Because they've been stepped on over and over and over and taken advantage of. If you bring me, let's just call it a cord. And this cord is kind of like a base knob. Hint, hint, you bring me a knob. And I tell you, this is not a standard knob. I will put it in for you. And then I put it in, and there is noise. For knob, there is noise, like popping noises every now and then. I turn the blinker on, it pops. Well, I take the part out of the equation totally, and there's no noise. What does that tell me? That the noise is being originated from that part that was in there that you've now taken out, and there's no noise. Correct? Correct. So let's just call it this knob right here. It's making a popping noise. You brought it to me. I can't change it because you want it in there. What am I supposed to do? Now, when you come pick up your car, I tell you, hey, this knob has noise in it. But I've already told you over the telephone twice also. I've told you this knob has noise in it and it pops. It has noise in it and it pops randomly. You want me to change it? I'll change it. If it's not too bad, just leave it. Well, it wasn't horrible. So I did what the customer asked me and I left it in there. Keep in mind, I told you twice over the telephone that there's noise. I've told you twice that there's noise. Now, you're the customer, right? So Mark has told you, hey, there's noise in this knob. You come to pick up the truck, I'm this close to you, and I tell you there's noise. There is noise in this knob. I let you hear the noise. I even trigger part of the car that I know will make the noise so you can hear the noise. And you say, cool, man, I love it. It's amazing. I appreciate you. Let me pay you because I love it. That's why I'm paying for it. I'm paying for it because I like it. It's a lot ever heard. Man, it's more than what I was expecting. 24 hours, I get a negative review. I spent 4 weeks on this truck straight. 4 weeks. Your knob is messed up. What can I do? What can I do? I can't do nothing. That's what this is about. This is why store owners don't install equipment from other places.